Hi guys, my name's Demi and welcome to Indoka. So sometime last week, one of our community members, Courtney, asked us to do a video discussing CBDa. So here we are today recording a video about one of our favorite cannabinoids. If you picked hemp right now straight from the ground, it would contain mostly CBDa and very little CBD. That's because these compounds require heat or aging to become the compounds as we know them today. The heat process, referred to as decarboxylation, involves the removal of the carboxyl group. Therefore, the CBDa becomes CBD, or the THCA becomes THC. CBDa doesn't actually interact with the endocannabinoid system, or so far as research has shown. While it's thought that CBD indirectly stimulates the endocannabinoid system by causing the body to produce more anandamine, instead, research shows us that CBD actually interacts with other receptor sites and enzymes in our body. So far, all research that's been done on CBDa has been in preclinical models, not human studies. In any case, GW Pharma has already taken out a patent on CBDa, as they believe there's sufficient evidence to warrant investigating it further for future medicines. CBDa may be the epilepsy drug of the future. So you know how we just discussed GW Pharma having a patent on CBDa? Well, one of those patents is on seizures. Despite GW Pharmaceuticals already having a medicine on the market containing CBD, there are a few limitations when it comes to this compound. Some of these limitations are around the fact that this compound does not have the best bioavailability and therefore requires higher doses for a therapeutic effect. GW Pharmaceuticals has found that a far lower amount of CBDa is required to have a therapeutic effect, making it potentially more cost-effective and causing fewer side effects. Interesting. Not only that, but it has a superior bioavailability, which essentially means that the onset of the effects could be far faster. CBDa may be useful in combating nausea. THC is commonly known for its effects on nausea and anti-vomiting. However, sometimes the effects of THC for some people can be hard to bear. CBD, like CBDa, activates one of our serotonin receptors, which is usually responsible for controlling our mood and our anxiety levels. However, one specific receptor is also known for controlling our nausea-like sensations. A study carried out on rodents actually found CBD to be more effective in controlling nausea and vomiting than CBD, including anticipatory nausea, for which at the moment there is no known therapy. CBDa is anti-inflammatory and may inhibit pain. Scientists have actually found that CBDa inhibits key inflammatory mediators. They're responsible for a wide array of inflammatory responses in the body, working in the same way that NSAIDs anti-inflammatories work. That being said, research has a long way to go in proving CBDa as a viable treatment for anti-inflammatory and pain. The next stage would be to test CBDA on animal models and then in humans. CBDA has shown to be beneficial in stopping the spreading of breast cancer cells. One study conducted on cell cultures showed that CBDA prevented the cell migration of certain breast cancer cells, which may suggest an ability to inhibit metastasis in aggressive cancer models. Another study found CBDA to have particular significance in breast cancer, where the enzyme, a mediator of breast cancer metastasis, was reduced along with other genes involved in the spreading of breast cancer cells. Like CBD, CBDA activates one of our serotonin receptors, known for regulating our mood and anxiety, essentially controlling our overall sense of well-being. In a recent study done on rats, CBDA was found to have antidepressant qualities at doses 10 to 100 times smaller than that of CBD. Once again, at the moment, this research has just been done in animal models and needs to go to human trials before it can be extrapolated on further. CBD and CBDA work really well together. As more research is being carried out on CBDA, it seems that far less of it is needed to result in a therapeutic effect compared to its decarboxylated cousin CBD. By combining these two compounds in an extract, patients can take a smaller dose and perhaps benefit from a more rapid onset of effect. CBD is a popular compound on its own, but could this research be showing us that whole plant CBD extracts or raw CBD extracts could be more beneficial than CBD on its own? In all honesty, only time will tell, and until we do more research into this compound, we just simply won't know. However, I hope we highlighted some interesting facts about CBDA for you and that you catch us around for the next video. What would you like us to do a video on next? What confuses you about the cannabis industry or the cannabis plant in general? What would you like to know about Indoka behind the scenes? Let us know in the comments below and we'll see you for the next video. See ya.